In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit constant contact email subject lines and pre-headers. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or new to email campaigns, it's crucial to effectively tailor these elements to engage your audience from the very first glance. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of making impactful changes that will enhance your email campaign's open rates and overall effectiveness. First, to get started, you'll want to open your email draft in Constant Contact. On the header of your email, locate and click on Email Settings. This action will open up the area where you can easily access both the subject line and the pre-header text fields, allowing you to make your necessary edits. Once you've accessed the email settings, focus on the subject line. Click directly into the subject text field. Here, you can freely modify the content to better suit your campaign's intentions. Remember, a compelling subject line is your opportunity to make a strong first impression, so make sure it clearly conveys the essence or value of your email. Next, turn your attention to the pre-header. Much like the subject line, you'll want to click directly into the pre-header text field to modify it. The pre-header serves as a preview of your email content and can dramatically influence open rates, so craft it thoughtfully to complement and expand upon your subject line's message. Now, a fantastic feature offered by Constant Contact is email personalization. If you'd like to add a more personalized touch to your subject line, simply click on the Personalize button. This option allows you to incorporate specific contact details or custom fields into the subject line, such as first names, company names, or other personal data that you've collected, making your correspondence even more relevant and engaging. Additionally, Constant Contact provides recommended subject lines and pre-headers to inspire and guide you. To access these, navigate to the campaign info section on the email schedule page and click on the recommended subject lines or recommended pre-headers link. This is a helpful tool if you're seeking fresh ideas or aiming to align with best practices in email marketing. Once you've made all necessary edits and are satisfied with the changes, don't forget the final crucial step. Click Save. Saving your work ensures that all modifications to your subject line and pre-header are securely applied to your draft. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently edit your Constant Contact subject lines and pre-headers to better connect with your audience and improve your campaign's performance. Experiment with these elements to see what resonates best with your audience. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.